The provided chart is a 30-minute candlestick chart for BTCUSD, Bitcoin against the US dollar, from TradingView, showing price action over several days, with the most recent data point at 3:12 on June 25, 2025. Here's a detailed breakdown of the chart. 1. Timeframe and price levels. Timeframe, 30-minute intervals, covering dates from June 22nd to June 29th, 2025. Price range. The y-axis ranges from approximately 98,310.00 to 112,000.00 USD. Current price, around 105,307.39 USD, as of the latest candlestick at 3:12. 2. Key technical elements. Candlesticks. The chart displays price movements with green, bullish, and red, bearish candlesticks, indicating buying and selling pressure over each 30-minute period. Trend lines and channels. A yellow trend line, labeled E, slopes downward from the top left, suggesting a potential resistance or downtrend line. A green horizontal line near 109,000 USD acts as a support resistance level. A cyan trend line, labeled F, at the bottom slopes slightly downward, possibly indicating a lower support level, around 99,000 USD. Fibonacci retracement levels, marked with percentages, for example, 23.60%, 38.20%, 50.00%, and corresponding price levels, for example, 104,600 and 6.28, 103,600 and 53.25, 102,800 and 89.34. These levels suggest potential support or resistance zones based on a prior move. 50.00% at 102,800 and 89.34 USD. 38.20% at 103,600 and 53.25 USD. 23.60% at 104,600 and 6.28 USD. Resistance zones. A blue shaded area labeled B between 106,000 and 108,000 USD indicates a resistance zone. A higher resistance is implied near 110,000 USD, labeled 1. Support zones. A brown shaded area, labeled 4, around 102,800 and 89.34 to 103,600 and 53.25 USD suggests a support zone. The cyan trendline, F, near 99,000 USD acts as a lower support. 3. Price action and patterns. Recent movement. The price has been declining from a peak near 110,000 USD, labeled 1, and is currently testing the 105,307.39 USD level. Triangle pattern. A descending triangle labeled C3 is forming, with a flat lower trend line and a downward sloping upper trend line. This pattern often precedes a breakout, either upward or downward. Drop from peak. A significant drop is visible from the high near 110,000 USD to the current level, with a series of red candlesticks indicating selling pressure. 4. Indicators and annotations. Indicators. The chart includes various indicators, accessible via the Indicators button, but specific ones, for example RSI, MACD, are not visible in the image. Annotations. A and 1 mark the peak near 110,000 USD. B highlights the resistance zone. C3 indicates the triangle pattern. 4 marks the support zone. B and C label potential resistance levels above the current price. 5. Market context. The chart suggests Bitcoin has been in a corrective phase after reaching a high near 110,000 USD. The current price is testing key Fibonacci levels, and a breakout from the descending triangle could determine the next significant move. The proximity to the 23.60% Fibonacci level, 104,600 and 6.28 USD, and the support zone, 102,800 and 89.34 USD, indicates a critical area for potential reversal or further decline.